Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from NYOOOZ.
An Ethiopian airline jet crashed shortly after takeoff from Addis Ababa, killing all on board. According to reports, the 4 Indians on board were killed in the deadly crash. The cause of the disaster is yet to be cleared. However, the pilot had reported difficulties and asked to return to the airport. The 149 passengers and 8 crew members did not survive the horrific crash. The victims were from more than 30 countries. There were tweets circulating to express condolence to the families. NYOOOZ Desk.